that is.
Then you are. What happens if you go off and you're not in?
Yes. Then you're it. If you're off there for like more than a second. If you're off for like a split second, like.
Guys. Whoa, look at that. Oh, you get off the road. On the house. Who's it?
Tony, let them play.
Oh, yeah, who's it?
They're playing.
Marco!
What's
Okay,
that?
now.
Hello! Marco! Hello!
She's wearing both out.
Yeah, I would say.
I fell off the slide. I jumped from this one to that one.
Austin!
I mean, that one.